Okay, so this is my training station for today. Finally, I'm gonna do hi. Finally, I'm gonna do some swim training. So yeah, because I haven't swum properly in a while. Here we go. Right, the swimming is going well. It's going well. I'll tell you this, so I'm so used to swimming like a 25-meter pool. So kind of it's so hard when it's like 50 meters, and it's so hard to kind of um like gradually release your energy. That's the right way to say. But yeah, but like, cause I'm like, oh, I'm like, I haven't even like finished yet, but I feel like I'm feeling like so tired. But then I'm just like, fuck, it's like all the way back. Cause like when you do 25 and 25 is like 50, that's it. And you're like, 50 is 100. I'm like, fucking hell. It was like forever, but it's good. It's so good. And of course, it's like outside, it's sunny and it's just beautiful. Alright, I can officially announce that I'm tired. Like I can feel that I haven't proper swam for 3 weeks now. Yeah, 3 weeks since I left home. It's crazy. It's crazy. My muscles are like bring me back to the gym instead of a swim. Nah, I'm kidding. Swimming, I love swimming. And running. And cycling, of course. That's been great. It's been refreshing. I finally have access to a proper swimming pool. So I was craving for the past couple of days some sushi. So I've decided why not to treat myself today. So I am arriving. Okay, sushi place is closed, but the ramen place is open, so I'm gonna try here. Looks so good, so good. I'm so excited. And parking continues. Getting there slowly and steady, and even tomorrow, excited to go to Bohol. A bit of a beach again, some nature, and just relax. So yeah, leaving the city, but I'll be back in Cebu City soon. So yeah, after Bohol, after 5 days, 6 days, and yeah, it's been a blast. Just watching How to Be Single and listen to this. Katy Perry, your peacock, cock, your peacock. I wanna see your peacock. Aww. The struggle is real because after like having two backpacks, like the big one and the small one, I ended up having a third one, and of course I bought like a few more things, and it's just not working. Oh my god, I was doing so well, but then but then I had to repack because I forgot like the little bag, and it was just okay. I'm maybe gonna be able to do this. I'm glad I left some time so I can. Oh my god, yes. Right, so all packed. Like always, I just did the beds and the towels and everything. Tried to leave as tidy as possible because I worked one of my first jobs when I moved in the UK. It was the accommodation cleaner, so I know how hard it is. And sometimes, like even just a tiny thing, just taking the bedding out, it helps. So yeah, driver's on the way. 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go to the next location. Let's go to the port first. I need ATM. It was so crazy, like these guys that over there like so attacking me. Bohol, Bohol, like are you going there? I'm just like, I've got a ticket already. But they're trying to like sell tickets and maybe like, I don't know, promote their own like boat or whatever. But it was just like, I'm just like, I'm fine. I'm like, fine. Okay, so this is the port. And you just go through like security and then you come for the check-in and probably just get like a ticket. So yeah, easy. So I've got some coffee and I've also brought a donut. It was just looking so nice, so just got this. I'm just gonna try because I've still got quite some time. Important. Finally, and I think I'll be sitting like on the upper level. Not sure, but I think when I booked it, but we'll find out. Right, I'm in my seat, but I've got like two bags and one is there, so if someone's gonna sit next to me, so I'll have to move it and there's no space at all. Okay, I have changed the seat, so I'm just sitting here. There is a toilet, but so I can just see a little bit there because when I was there in the middle, it was not the best view. So here is much better. And we are a bit late, like 10 minutes, but the announcement was already on, and I think we're gonna start off in a minute. Right, goodbye, Cebu City. I will be back like in a week, so it's all good. But yeah, goodbye for now. Well, welcome to Bohol. Okay, I have arrived. Two things. I need ATM and I need to go check into the hotel, well, homestay. Let's go. Room reveal. So I booked double bed. They don't have it available, so I'm gonna have to have two beds, which is okay. But still, it's a bit annoying. And they charged me 1,000 more. Apparently, like a tax fee or something like that, which is not been said or anything. Someone's left. Oh, that's maybe for me, two different colors. Anyway, here we go. Simple but cute. Even TV and aircon, all good. So as usual, things are done. So I am checked in and I went to get the scooter first. So I've got it for 4 days for now, and then we'll figure it out later if I need it more. But yeah, that's my baby. That's just a simple one. 125 I think. So yeah, but it will do the job. What do we do first? We drop in our laundry. So laundry is dropped off, and now I'm gonna go to get some food. Okay, we have arrived to this place and let's go and check it out. Parked, all good. I'm starting with this beautiful soup, and I'm going with pizza and just chill. I've got like a sore eye, so I took my contacts. Like visibly, like there is nothing there, but it's like it's painful, like somewhere there. Like if I touch it, like here, and I'm just like, I don't know what was it, but it's crazy. Not there, but like there. It's crazy. I just don't know what it is.